Hello guys, this is the third episode of my new Flappy Bird series. Today, we're gonna adding main menu because we need to prepare before the game starts. So, let's get coding. On here, before we start, I'll duplicate the player sprite and name it to logo. This is also logo too, so let's just drag it to right here. On the logo sprite, drag out the when green flag clicked. And we're gonna loop forever. Repeat 10 times, change y by 10, and duplicate that and change y by -10. And if I'll just show this part, and just a minute, we did not set the position and the size, so let's set size to 75. You can play around these values, so let's just add this. This is out for 75, and that should be good. And put it right here. Just a minute. I think the 50 will be good. And let's clean some positions. So x will be 0 and y will be 130. Okay, let's see. Now that's good, but it's moving too fast. Okay. And actually on here, I'm just gonna separate off this for loop because this is getting harder. So I'm just gonna separate off this variable loop. Instead, I just don't broadcast. Stupid. And yeah. And if you don't broadcast this message, then nothing happens. Just a minute. I don't know broadcast again. Message. Yeah. Just a minute. What's activating? Just a minute. I'll just put a name on and separate off this variable. I think that's much better. Sorry. And here, remove that. And that should be good. And if you turn the project, oh dear, this player 2 was activating. This player logo 2 and logo 2, we don't need to broadcast this message anymore. So just remove that. Okay, now this is moving good. And here we change it by just 2 by -2. So you can play around these values. So what value is what you prefer? Now on here, on the logo 2 sprite, drag out the when green flag clicked, and they're gonna go to put it right here. And let's see, just a minute. Go to x will be -130, y will be same y positions at where was it? The logo, which is 130. 130. Okay, now if you try on the project, it looks good. Now point in direction 90, just click that block. And now on here, you'll drag out this code to logo 2 sprite. And then you're gonna look for this one. And if you're trying the project, the logo is almost done, but I'll add some animation. So here, let's drag out this set flying block and go to this. Also, make sure it's another green flag, and we delete that, and we just delete that, and that should be good. And if you're trying the project, you get a pretty nice animation. Now on here, on the start sprite, we're gonna show this sprite because this is pretty annoying because the other sprites are. Now, when green flag clicked, go to XY. And 0 and y will be -100. And this is too big, so set size to 50. And if you're trying the project, boom, it's too big. Why? So just a minute, why? Sometimes it can happen. Okay, so that should be good. I think change y by -. 75 of course. Oh, I don't know. 75 of course. So let's see. That should be good. Okay. Now we need to make it clickable. So I don't use this when this sprite clicked. Disactivate all. This activates also when the stop button is pressed. I don't use that. And if touching mouse pointer, if mouse down, then we're gonna wait until non-mouse down. And then also we'll hide the variable in score. And here we broadcast a game on. Okay. Now that's good. But after we die, we need to do something. So we're gonna do first, green flag clicked, show the sprite, and we hide it. And on this sprite, when I receive game on, you hide, and you don't run this script. Hide and stop other scripts and the sprite. And let's drag this code to to logo sprite. Now let's run this project. Just a minute, I forgot. We did not show the sprite. Show the logos. Show. And also, you can now remove this when green flag click broadcast a logo. Just a minute. And if you don't have that, so let's attach it again. Let's attach the older code. Now, if we try running the project, these things work. Okay. Kind of. Oh, just a minute. On the ground sprite, remove this and switch this to green flag because this needs to infinite loop. That should be good. Now we're pretty much done because you see, just a minute, I did not hide this sprite because green flag click, hide, and show. Now we are almost done, and if you try running the project, works great, but if we die, the game just go like that. So we need to do a main menu. So when we die, instead of broadcasting game over, broadcast a new message called menu. Here on the green flag script, we will broadcast a menu. Here, so on the logo sprite, separate off the green flag script and switch this to menu. Oh, when I use it, just a minute. That's not one. When I receive main menu, and here remove that and switch this to menu. Oh, this one, menu. Okay, so and here surround that is a menu. Yeah, so let's check it out. I just forgot. On here, we're gonna do is a menu. Okay, now if we try running the project and press the green flag again after we die, and boom, I forgot that. Here we go. And here, when I receive a menu, you just delete this clone. And also stop other scripts in the sprite, and you just delete this clone. Drag this code to right here on the pipe sprite. And also, we hide it. Okay, so that should be good. Now we are pretty much done. Yeah, check it out. We've done the basic parts of our Flappy Bird game. So, we're done with our series. So, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, and be sure to subscribe and like the video because that helps me a lot. Bye bye.